Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by finding exploding topics that match dropshipping margins and fulfillment speed. Use the tool to spot products with sudden search spikes and record 5+ candidates. Once done, cross-check demand using Google Trends and run a 30-day test market to confirm buyer intent. Make sure suppliers can handle basic order volume and offer 1-2 day shipping or reliable track shipping. That ensures customer satisfaction and reduces refunds early on. Next, you craft product listings and add funnels tailored for each hot topic. Start with a high-converting page, 3 clear benefits, 2 trust signals like reviews or guarantees, and a smart price anchor. Then launch targeted ads using 1 to 2 creative variations and measure CTR and CPA closely. Once you have consistent clicks, automate order flow by integrating your store with suppliers via Shopify, WooCommerce, or an API. That reduces manual errors and speeds up fulfillment when volume rises. Finally, you scale winners while keeping the loop of measurement tight. Increase budgets gradually, 2 to 5 times, and watch customer acquisition cost, return rates, shipping time, and net promoter score. Once scaling is stable, expand into adjacent exploding topics with the same playbook. If things go wrong, isolate whether it's the product, ad fatigue, or supplier failure, then perform a 7-day rollback test on pricing and creatives, and switch suppliers if delivery or quality is the culprit to restore conversion quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.